Hello everyone, hope that you are fine and safe. Today we are going to talk about place value of decimals. Let us refresh our information from grade 4. This number 831, as you know, the first digit is called the ones digit, then the 3 is the tens digit, and the hundreds, the 8 is the hundreds digit. What do we mean by place value? Place value means that this 8 does not represent only 8. In fact, it represents 8 hundreds or 8 and 2 zeros. 3 represents 3 tens or 30. And this is a ones, so it is a 1. As you notice, as we go to the right, the digit becomes smaller by 10 times. So tens is smaller than hundreds by 10 times, and ones is smaller than tens by 10 times. What if I have a decimal point like that? So this digit, if you follow the pattern, will be smaller than the ones digit by 10 times, and this digit will be smaller than the previous digit by 10 times, the same for 9. So, the first digit after the decimal point, we call it tenth. Pay attention, it ends with THS. Do not confuse between tenth and tenth. And it is smaller than the ones digit by 10 times, so we write it as 5 divided by 10. After tenth, our right to tenth, we have 100. So hundreds is smaller than tenth by 10 times, so it will be represented by 2 divided by 100. Right to hundreds, we have thousands, so this 9, in fact, it represents a 9 thousandths, or we can write it as 9 divided by 1,000. So let us summarize what we have learned till now. As we go to the right, the digit becomes smaller by 10 times. So tens is smaller than hundreds by 10 times. Ones is smaller than tens by 10 times. Tenth is smaller than by 10 times. And hundreds is smaller than tens by 10 times. The first digit right to the decimal point is called tenth. And if we have, for example, 5 or 8, we write it as 8 divided by 10 because it's a tenth. The second one is hundreds, so we write 2 divided by 100. And the third one is called thousands, so we write it as 9 divided by thousands. And if we have another digit here, for example, 4, it's a 10 thousandths, and it will be represented 4 divided by 10 thousandths. So place value help us understand values or words of different digits inside large numbers. Example 727. So here is the ones digit. So this 7 is written as 7. Tenth digit. So this 2 represent a 20. And 7 or hundredths digit is written as 700. The first digit right to the decimal point is called tenth, and it is written as 1 divided by 10. You can use this decimal place value chart to know the place value of any digit in a decimal number. Let us solve this exercise. Find or place the proper term to the underlined digit. The first decimal number, 9.76. We want to know what does this 6 represent, or what digit it is. So this is the ones digit, decimal point. The first digit after the decimal point is the 10th. Then we have hundreds, or we can write it 9.76. So 6 will be here. So this 6 represents a hundredths digit. 0.897. So the first digit after our right to the decimal point is the 10th digit. So this 8 represents a tenth. 6.8906. So you can fill it in the place value chart. So 6.8906 8906. So 6 will be here. So it's a 10,000th digit. And the last one is 0.7836. So 0.7836. So 3 will be written here. So it is a 1,000th digit. The last exercise, follow the clues to build the numbers. We are going to answer this question to know the numbers here. The number in the 10th place is less than 9 but greater than 7. So where is the 10th place? Here is the decimal point. This is 1's 10th, so this is the 10th place. If it is written like that, 10th, then the 10th place will be here, this digit. But because it ends with S, so this will be the 10th digit. So it is less than 9 but greater than 7, so it will be 8. Second question. The number in the hundreds place is the maximum number. Here are the numbers. The hundred place, so here is the decimal point, ones, tens, and hundreds. So here is the hundreds. Maximum number from these numbers, then it is 9. Third question. The number in the hundreds place, pay attention, 100 THS, then it's after the decimal point or right to the decimal point. So this is the decimal point. Tens, here is the hundreds, so here is 6 less than the number in the tens place. So 8 minus 6, it will be 2. The number in the ones place is the same as 3 times 2. Here is the ones place, so 3 times 2 is 6. The number in the thousands place, so THS, so it will be right to the decimal point. So we have here 10th, 100th, thousands. So this is the thousands place. It is double the hundreds place. So here the hundreds place, double yani, 2 times 2, it will be 4. The number in the 10th place is half of 10. This is the 10th place. It ends with THS. So 10th is half of 10, so 10 divided by 2, it will be 5.